Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before I continue, I would like to use this opportunity to wish you a happy, new and prosperous year 2024. How are you guys all doing? So we are opening this year with these beautiful designs. I have arranged so many important lessons for my viewers and my friends, fashion admirers. I just say let me open this year with this tutorial. Welcome to Others Fountains Fashion, where fashion tips are unfolded. So this is the tutorial. This is the material I'm going to be combining for this senator dress, and it's going to come out really great. So you have to start the year with it. So after cutting my bodice complete, now I have to have my back line ironed, my front line, middle line, and with the navy blue material I want to use for this combination. So I'll be folding my front bodies that way, and I also have ironed my material for the design at this level. It is like this. Have you seen? One aspect is full and the other one just like seen in the watermark. So the arrangement is that way. Just watch carefully. I know you will gain from this tutorial in this new year. So I will cut it that way. After cutting it just the way I'm doing, you see how it will look like. So I will bring it out. Look at the shape of it. So what I will do now is just to mark it the way I want it to look on the dress. So I will place the design like this, and I will arrange it to make sure the middle line there meets with the same middle line at the real bodies of this dress. So this thing extended down, the design, it's longer than the real bodies. So I will mark my pocket level because the thing has a pocket, fancy pocket there. I will mark 11 inches because it's not a normal pocket. The pocket is facing maybe opposite of the normal pocket. So have you seen, the arrangement is supposed to be cool. So, and I will mark from the midpoint, like 2 inches from the middle line, because I'll be showing you how the thing will look like. And I will mark to that place I marked for the pocket. And I'll cut it out just where that chalk is. So, have you seen? I've cut it out now. After that, what I'll be doing now is just to check if it is okay. If it is not, I'll reduce it to what I want so that it will not be too close to the armhole. So that is all my complete parts of this dress, the back turning, and the sleeves are also intact. I've cut the sleeves also. Look at the sleeves. One is the real color and the other one is the navy blue color. So in case you aren't maybe cleared, there is room for that question in the comment section. So I will be bringing it now after I'm done doing this. Look at how I gummed it. The chest is full and the 2 or 3 inches down to the side I will be designing. This one is the pocket, and there is that pocket that has its seam hidden, the hidden seam pocket, just like what I will show you here. And if you watch carefully, the back facing is designed. So I am going to make sure everything is intact. And look at the front bodies. where that design didn't end, that design there where it stops, so I have to gum hasty there to make the chest really okay. You know the use of STA. So if you need more explanation, you can go to my playlist. The lessons are there. Just follow me as we start making these things happen. So from the pocket, I will start just like I have said earlier. The pocket is folded like a normal pocket. Have you seen? That is the up of the pocket, and I will fold it this way. All based on your measurement, all the folding will be the same, like this. And now, have you seen? I have 8 inches for the length. Now, look at the difference. I'm going to hold this pocket like this. Have you seen? Put it like this, and I will hold it this way to have this angle. Have you seen? Look at how it is. I'll hold it that way to make sure those 2 points there at the angle meet each other. And I'll turn it this way, and I'll press it. So I don't know if you understand. I'll still do the other side of it so that you understand it very, very well. So in case you've not come across this pocket. So look at, I'll put it straight like this, bring it out to make sure those points meet each other at that angle. And I will, have you seen? I will slip it to that side. You seen? So you have to do it to be equal. Now slip it to that side like this. So that's how to get that pocket. So now when I'm done, what I will do is I will notch that line, that place where those 2 points meet, those 2 things, that angle. I'll notch a little, give it a little notch. Are you seeing? It will make it easy for me to assess that point, because the other one has a folding already. So why this one don't have? So look at, have you seen? So to the machine, when I get there, I will explain how to do this pocket and how to get finished work. So the pocket cover of the chest is what I will be gumming here. Look at the shape. You can cut the shape as well. So if you can't, I have all the shapes you can place to cut. Every shape you want is in my playlist. So this thing is folded this way, and I have pressed it and used hemming gum to gum it that way. Have you seen? So that's how it is. The next thing after I'm done doing that is look at the middle line there is still there in that up, that navy blue. What I will do is just to place it, and if you can use your freehand sketch or your freehand to control it, it's cool. But if you can't, you can use an office pin to pin it all through. So I will sew this one first so that before I'll be attaching this thing, I will put the pocket cover alongside the fancy pocket cover. So that's how it is. Follow me. Now look at my office pin I'm using. I'll pin it all round. I'll pin it all round and make sure the thing doesn't shift. It is the way I want it to be. So after I'm done pinning it, what I will be doing is I will impute my fancy pocket cover at that position I have already marked, just like I explained in the early part of this tutorial. Have you seen? I'll make sure it is well set, and I will sew it like this all through. So after I'm done sewing it, I will be showing you the next step to take. So if you find this tutorial helpful, all you have to do is just to give it a thumbs up to encourage me to do more. And if there's any questions so far as the lesson is concerned or any other fashion lesson, you can as well drop it down below the comment section. I'll be right there to answer your question. And if you wouldn't mind, you can turn on your notifications so that I'll get you in touch each time I upload a new video. So I'm arranging the pocket the way it should be, and I will sew it all through in that order. Then after I'm done sewing it, I will go back to my pocket, just like what I started explaining. Have you seen? That way, I will hold it like this. Have you seen? Look at the midpoint of that place. I'll bend it like this. I'll fold it that way. And make sure that my notch meet with that line at that edge, that point. Have you seen? So I'll start from where the thing meets. Let me zoom it so that you see it very well. So I'm arranging it so that the thing will be in line. Have you seen? So it will be the same, and I will stitch it that way. After doing that, I will be cutting it out. I'll cut it out. Have you seen? So I'll do the same thing to the other side, and look at how the thing will look like. I'll open it and press it, giving it a nice press. So now I don't know. Let me do the second one so that if you didn't understand, you get to understand it very well. So I'll place it also just the way I did to the other one, like this. And I will stitch it just the same way again. After I'm done stitching it, what I will do next is just to cut it out again. So I'll cut it out and go to the pressing table, and I will give it a nice press. Then you see how it's supposed to look like. So this way, I'm going to do it just like I said earlier. So I'll press it very, very, very well. So this is how it's going to look like after I'm done pressing it. That's how it's going to look like. Have you seen? So, but I'll be pulling it out so that it will be pointed. So I'm just showing you because I've not ironed it yet. So I'll be doing it this way. So now, after I have imputed my own design, I will measure the pockets. So I'm using 21 from the shoulder, 21. Normal pocket is supposed to be 19 or thereabout, but this one, it's a little bit down the dress. So I'm placing it just this way. And look at the pocket cover. I will be stitching it to put on top. So now, after I'm done doing that, my fancy design will be just at that pocket that way. So then I will top stitch the pocket first. After that, I'll be trimming the dress and before coupling it. Have you seen? So if you wish to know how to trim a senator dress, the tutorials are there. So the thing, look at how it is. Very rumpled. I've not pressed it yet. So that is that. Have you seen the pockets? Everything is done. And I know if you are in this tutorial today and you benefited, just give it a thumbs up. You can as well subscribe to the channel if you so wish. We give you notification. Turn on your notification button, and we'll always notify you each time we upload a new video. Also, as I be in one way or the other a blessing to you, you can as well be a blessing to me by subscribing, liking, and sharing this tutorial. In case of any question, you can always drop it down below the comment section of any question. I'll be right there to answer all your fashion questions. And as we go through this new year, I wish you a happy and a prosperous new year ahead. And remember to always have safety in mind so that we have to see in our next year to come. Bye. See you in our next lesson.